In the actual production process, some new firms may encounter the following questions. The output is low, and the pellets are not beautiful, and a series of problems. Today I will share with you 3 tips. Hope it helps everyone. When the current is too low, the power generated by the motor is not enough to squeeze the wood into shape quickly, thereby affecting production. Then there are the die holes. In the actual production process, we have to timely check whether the die hole is blocked. If there is a blockage, we need to clean it up in time to increase our production. The adjustment gap between the die and the roller is one aspect. When the roller clearance is too large, the pressure will decrease. As a result, the discharge is not smooth, which will affect the output.